I'm your friend Rani Subramanian. Once again, welcome back to Kesaria Textile Manufacturers. I hope all are safe and doing great. Yes, my friends, today I am at the different location. Different location means in Doriwala only. It is a third floor now. As I told you, the Kesaria Manufacturers is explode the business and every segment had exploded with a huge quantity. I just want to show you the kids collections of quantity, which is a very born babies to till 17, 18, 19 years, the kids where the customers are purchasing and the counter executive, sales executive are supporting with the collections. And if you're a reseller, if you want to buy and start a business, you can please visit Doriwala Square building next to Mohan Sweets, just walkable distance from Surat railway station. With just from Surat city, when you cross the railway station, you have a walkable distance from the station. People are very confused and they got disturbed when they travel to another city. Where I have to go, how I will be, what will be shopping, what will be the budget. You have to pre-plan and you have to come. Any shopping or anything we purchase, the planning is very important. For business also, when you purchase for the business also, planning and investment is very important based on your location. So subscribe the channel. Today I'm going to take you to the huge quantity of the kids collections where you have a bulk quantity of the kids from born babies to till 17, 18. Subscribe the channel and resellers, you have these collections at factory price. So let's see the new varieties. First I'll start with boy babies. If I talk about the exclusive party wear, you have a three-piece concepts. You have this jackets and you have a settle formal colorful sleeves. You have a very beautiful premium exclusive varieties with the pant. With the formal pant, you have a three-piece concepts. You can also keep, and these collections are having a huge margin. If I talk about the two-piece with the party coat suit pattern, you have these kind for the wedding. For the wedding concepts, you have a light sequence work. So you have a chunky shine with the navy blue. All the color charts with the sizes you can purchase. If I talk about the running cotton jeans with the semi-formals, you have for the kids also, you have how the elder people use in the males. So that kind of collection, the formal printed shirt, and you have a jeans with the pockets. You have a stretchable with the cotton jeans. So these kind of patterns also you can include. When you buy with a manufacturer is the only one who will give you a different variety season to season. You can update at your business. If I talk about this pattern, you have these kind of three-piece concepts with the beautiful, and this will be the bottom. So this is a formal. All sizes also you'll get it. And if I talk about the quality, quality is very important. When you touch and feel the fabric, it talks what is a quality. And quality matters, then only the quantity will, you can improve and you can add more into your business than only the fast moving. And how much the profit and the margin you're adding, based on that it will move in your sales. So it will, the coming pattern, the casual shirts you have it. The casual shirt patterns also you can see over here. This is a printed, you kind of 3/4 jeans. This is also you can purchase. All these kind of varieties, you have a beautiful collections. And if I talk about the boy babies, you have a jeans which you have a stretchable, so jeggings pattern, and you have a printed full sleeves. These kind of t-shirts also you can purchase. Friends, I can talk about the male, how much we have demanded. We have a lovely collections with the designer fancy, even in the girl babies also. Nowadays the trend is all the generation Gen Z generation, the people are getting for these kids, lovely kids, the crop tops which you have a very fancy in the festival base, the Rani color with the Rama green color combination, the lovely concept of crop tops. If I talk about the Georgette based, very pretty color, sequence with the running base fabric, you have these kind of also varieties. And if I talk about the very beautiful crop tops with a designer pattu pavade, which is a south pattern, you have a beautiful pattu matte look combination of this with the lining. You have these concepts which is a pattu pavade, and you have a ari work. You have these kind of varieties. With this you have a lovely collections with the two-tone shade. You have a beautiful three-piece concepts. If I talk about the born baby sets, you have a very pretty for the born babies, which is only the 30 rupees, 40 rupees, which starts from the kids counter. You have a beautiful lovely set. So the beautiful gift boxes also you can add when you give to your business, you can resell to your regular customers, and you can buy these products in the quantity with the wholesale manufacturing price. You have a huge margin. If I talk about the last product, we do have a sequence and jerry chumki work for the festival base. These kind of suits, 3-piece also for the girl babies. You have a unique designs and varieties for the functional wear. My friends, if I talk about the kids collections today at the business, you have a huge business with the profitable when you have a right manufacturer where you can deal with everything in one call. Even you do have a video calling purchase, online purchase, everything. So hope you enjoy these kind of varieties. So go ahead for these collections, take your mobile, just do the video calling live purchase, and next video we'll meet with new more collections and the videos. Keep supporting, subscribe the channel, there's a bell icon, just link it, share with everyone, and don't forget to share your name and city, and keep supporting. So until then, take care, bye bye.